nhỏ hồ mong kiên cử ý tử mua kế tờ trả chua lên chua ya lỡ chi nhẹ lỡ chi cả dây mù đê lỡ sẽ chỉ tao bé nhỏ luôn nên cho nhẹ giờ linh đỡ bé sợ đời yếu lò vô kê nó mỏ dây đê giờ mua thiếp lùa chỉ vô đi chả nó mỏ dây đê vì mua kế rong gâu nhỏ hỗ cho kế cho nhẹ. Hey, what's up? Nhớ rong cho lên cho tu. My name is Tou SaiK, or in Hmong it's Tou SaiKo Lee. I'm a spoken word and hip-hop artist here in St. Paul, Minnesota. I wanted to talk about this exciting new project I got going on. It's a Hmong language hip-hop album called Ntiaj Teb Koom Tes, or in English it's Unified Worldwide. So the inspiration for this album is that for me, my experience learning how to read, write, and pronounce Hmong words was following along with Hmong language song lyrics, and also writing my own poems and song in the Hmong language. So I actually released a few lyric videos recently, and one of them, Yo actually has English translation because I want young Hmong people to follow along with the lyrics and connect the English words to the Hmong words. Now, there's a few components to this album. Another thing is that I really want these songs to connect to our Hmong people that live in other parts of the world. So overseas, like Laos, Thailand, Vietnam, Australia, or even France, right? And so by doing it in the Hmong language, my hope is that they'll connect to the messages of my songs. The third thing is that I want to collaborate with Hmong elders that play Hmong traditional instruments. For example, the Hmong violin, the Xim Xaus Nkauj, the Hmong flute, and Danya, which is the mouth harp. I want to honor these traditional instruments and have my lyrics go along with them. So from spring until the summer, I'm going to be releasing 5 songs. I already released 1. I'm going to take an international trip where I'll be connecting to Hmong people in other parts of the world in the summer. When I come back in the fall, I'm going to complete the second half of the album and release it in November of 2018. Now, this album is really important to me. It's my heart. I'm dedicating it to my grandmother, Jocha, that recently passed away last year because she did Kutia, or Lutza because she did it in the Green dialect. If you want to support and follow the videos and the music and the projects that I'm doing, please go to my websites. It's youtube.com/Tou SaiK, as well as facebook.com/Tou SaiK Unites on the mic. And so thank you, appreciate your time, and peace. Thank you.